How to hide active status on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide active status on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as active status. And now here, in this section, simply toggle off or turn off the option that says show when you're active. And now here, once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just select until I change, and after that, you can just tap on pause to confirm your action. And once you do that, your active status will be hidden on Messenger. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.